Researchers used Bayesian analysis and gravitational wave research to help identify the purpose of one of the computer's mysterious calendar rings. Since its discovery over 100 years ago, the Antikythera Mechanism, a 2,000-year-old mechanical computer recovered from an ancient shipwreck off the coast of Greece, has been one of the most remarkable mysteries in archaeology, and new research may reveal further clues about its purpose. A new study published last week in the Horological Journal reveals fresh details about the ancient Antikythera Mechanism, a sophisticated hand-operated mechanical computer discovered in 1901 near the Greek island of Antikythera. Divers exploring a sunken shipwreck found the shoebox-sized device, which dates back to the 2nd century BCE. Although fragmented and heavily corroded, its intricate gears hinted at a complex mechanism that appears to predict eclipses and calculate the astronomical positions of planets. Now, recent research by scientists at the University of Glasgow has provided new insights into the mechanism's so-called calendar ring. Utilizing statistical analysis techniques, the researchers determined that the ring most likely contained 354 holes, aligning with the lunar calendar rather than the Egyptian or other 360-day calendars. Graham Wone, a professor at UG's School of Physics and Astronomy, spearheaded the study after getting an unusual tip from a colleague. Towards the end of last year, a colleague pointed to me to data acquired by YouTuber Chris Butaselic, who was looking to make a replica of the calendar ring and was investigating ways to determine just how many holes it contained, Wone said in a UG statement. It struck me as an interesting problem, Wone added. I set about using some statistical techniques to answer the question. Wone applied Bayesian analysis, which quantifies uncertainty based on incomplete data, revealed that the ring likely had 354 or 355 holes, based on the positions of the surviving holes and the placement of the ring's 6 remaining fragments. Gravitational wave research helped identify lunar calendar ring. Dr. Joseph Bailey, a research associate at UG's Institute for Gravitational Research and co-author of the paper, added to the study by applying techniques used in gravitational wave detection to further analyze the ring. By adapting methods from the LIGO detectors, which measure spacetime ripples caused by astronomical events, Bailey scrutinized the calendar ring using Markov chain Monte Carlo and nested sampling methods. The results confirmed the high probability of a 354-hole ring within a radius of 77.1 millimeters, with a radial variation of just 0.028 millimeters between each hole, showcasing the extraordinary precision of the ancient Greek artisans who crafted the device. The precision of the hole's positioning would have required highly accurate measurement techniques and an incredibly steady hand to punch them. This precision reinforces the notion that the Antikythera mechanism was used to track the lunar calendar. It's a neat symmetry that we've adapted techniques we use to study the universe today to understand more about a mechanism that helped people keep track of the heavens nearly 2 millennia ago. The study sheds light on the remarkable craftsmanship behind the Antikythera mechanism and its use in ancient Greece. We hope that our findings, although less supernaturally spectacular than those made by Indiana Jones, will help deepen our understanding of how this remarkable device was made and used by the Greeks. The Antikythera mechanism stands as a testament to the remarkable achievements of ancient Greek engineering. This 2,000-year-old device, far ahead of its time, continues to baffle and inspire us. Thanks to the application of cutting-edge techniques from gravitational wave research, scientists have shed new light on its function. Imagine, the very tools used to detect ripples in space-time millions of light-years away are now helping us unlock the secrets of an ancient machine. This discovery highlights the beautiful interconnectedness of scientific fields. Who knows what other mysteries from the past might be illuminated by these new approaches? Perhaps there are even more advanced technologies waiting to be unearthed, forever changing our understanding of the history of invention. So, What do you think about the Antikythera mechanism? Does it blow your mind that such a complex device existed millennia ago? Let me know in the comments below your thoughts and theories. Also, if you're curious to explore more about the intersection of science and history, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll be diving deeper into fascinating discoveries like this one. So hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching.